Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus Nord CE2, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes by default. So first, here we got the paper box, and inside of this paper box we got one more smaller paper box. So here we got the SIM jack tool and the quick start guide, the safety information, and some cards here. So some paperwork, and inside of this second section also here we got that was here on this position our device OnePlus, and here also we got the USB-C cable in red color, and also the charger brick with all of the specs here, the white one. And there are all of the box accessories with which our device comes by default. That's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.